This is the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus. This is the battery operated one, not the wired one. So this one takes the batteries. I'm gonna open it up and show you what's inside right here. We're currently upgrading from an older Ring system that we have. And this is one of the additions that we're making. We have the older Ring Spotlight camera, so we're just replacing it. And this is what it looks like when you open the packaging right here. Ring does a really phenomenal job on packaging. Really nicely, the way they put everything in here. We'll just open it up and show you what it looks like. So this is the base part of the camera right here. Just open it up. And I like the fact that they put all of the covers on the motion and things like that. So when you're charging up the battery, it doesn't like let off the sensors and things like that. So just get this out of here. Just open up the cardboard right here. And this is what it looks like right here. So everything is pre-sealed right here. It's got this nice wrap on here. So you just take the wrap off. It just comes off nice and easy. Just peel it off. Again, they do some really nice job on packaging here. Just open it up. Opens up really nice and easy once you get this off right here. And then you still have this around the motion sensor, so we'll just leave that on for now. And then basically what you have right here that's different from the older version right here is just peels, it just turns right here, and you open it up and you have access to the battery right here. It comes with one battery. I always use 2 batteries in here just to keep the charge for longer because I'm going to be using the solar feature on the back right here. So I always like having 2 batteries in there just in case. So definitely want to pick up the extra Ring batteries if you're going to be using it. Highly recommend it. So this just goes back on here just like that. But again, very easy to use. These are really great cameras. We're very happy with it. So this lights up very bright right here when the spotlight feature goes on. And the camera is just phenomenal. It has the color camera on here, color night vision, and it just works really well. It's got the HD video. It's got the 2-way talk, motion controls. If you're familiar with the Ring doorbell, this is just like the Ring doorbell, but it just does a lot of other features as well. It's got the mounting right here on this ball feature right here. The mounting clip is right here. So basically it's just gonna sit in here, and then you just have this adjustment right here on the screw. You're gonna be able to position it pretty much however you want. It's kind of like a ball joint right here, and it just works very, very easy. So these things are really easy to set up here. You just scan the code on there and just get it set up. But the mounting here, it's very easy as well. And then it also comes with the USB cable and things like that. That's all in here. Again, they do a really great job with the packaging right here. You get the Ring sticker you can put on your window to show you're protected. You get the other attachments in here, and this is the cable for charging the battery. But very happy with this Ring system. It just does a really nice job here. Again, this is the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus. Very happy with this system here. It's a really great system. Highly recommend it.